Okay, so nandito po tayo ngayon sa $1 Million Club Wall natin, no? But today we are updating the $1 Million Club Wall, no? With the newest $1 Million Club members and with updated income. Siyempre, every month po nagbabago yung income nila. Okay, so nandito ba yung tawagin ko muna itong unang isasabit natin kasi siya yung pinakabagong $1 Million Club member. So we call to the front, no, Samar Presidential Director, Tony Cruz. Nag-join po siya sa IFERN March 31, 2014. Na-achieve po niya yung 50 million income February 2025. Nasaan ka noong 2014? Anong ginagawa mo? Tapos ngayon, ano na na-achieve mo? At least dito, kay Nomi Cruz, very, very clear. Ang total income po, 54,343,000. Ang next po natin, si Mr. Bakal. Okay, so si Ken Karen, no, represented by his Presidential Director ng wife, si Ray, joined in September 2016. Joined in September 2016 and MDC na-achieve po nila in October 15, 2023. And today, as of January 2025, 57 million na po yung kinita ni Ken and Ray. So ito, close na close po to kay Ken and Ray kasi kapatid ko din na to, si Maria Angelica Mateo. Joined in September 26, 2016, no? Support lang. Hindi po niya pinabaho for 1 year, no? Nag-support lang siya kay Ken and Ray hanggang sa na-build yung sobrang laking strong leg. And after 1 year, nag-decide po mag-active si Gerald. Okay, so she achieved her MDC October 15, 2023. And as of January 2025, 58,694,000. Okay, next. So nag-join po. Ito hindi na siya nag-join. Buong pamilya po niya, din yan yan. No? And maraming po sa pamilya. Parang 4, 5 na po sila ang Presidential Director sa pamilya na to. So let's go forward, Rayma Di Jacinto. Nag-join po June 2016. Tapos by October 15, 2023, $1 Million Club na po. So accumulated income as of January 2025, 59,021,000. Emerald, Presidential Director, no? Ang genius ng IFERN, Lionel Leslie Villanueva. Okay, so nag-join po March 23, 2016. November 30, 2022, nag-50 million na po. And total income, favorite number ni Lionel, 69,824,000. Okay, so next po, dati may ati nung 4 na gasolinahan, Cecil Rances. Okay, so nag-join po sila sa IFERN October 2017. By August 15, 2022, no, na-achieve na po yung 50 million. At by January 2025, 79,675,000 pesos. Next one, ang nanay po ni Rayma Di Jacinto. Nag-join po July 11, 2016. So by August 12, 2021, MDC na po. And as of January 2025, ang pinakamayaman na lola sa IFERN Nation, 80,603,000. Nandito ba si Telma Vargas? Telma Vargas here? Wala? Okay, so tayo na po maghahap. Telma Vargas, July 2016 po, nag-join sa IFERN. By July 2021, no, na-achieve na po yung 50 million. And as of January 2025, 89 million. Okay, congratulations, Telma Vargas. Next na po, ang pinakabata na $1 Million Club member at the age of 19, no? Christian Stellar Nones Tapia. Nag-join po yung mami niya October 16, 2017. In 3 taon po, 30 million yung kinita. So right now, no, as of January 2025, no, total income, 92,169,000. Ang next po natin, no, nag-join po ng IFERN January 9, 2017. Ako po nag-imbita sa kanya, no? Okay, so Marvin Casino, my drinking buddy, please come forward. Okay, so by June 11, 2021, na-achieve na po niya yung 50 million. And as of January 2025, no, kulang na lang ng bagya, 93 million na po. Nag-join po June 26, 2016. By May 1, 2021, $1 Million Club na po. So, 22, 23, 24, 4 na taon na po $1 Million Club. 4 na taon na, at as of now, kaya po $1 Million Club 2, kasi total accumulated income ni Melanie Asuncion, 178 million pesos. Okay, so the proud is na Asuncion. Let's call Alex Asuncion, no, to the center.
Yes.
January 19, 2016, nag-join po siya. So by July 29, 2020, $1 Million Club na po siya. By the tumalabas, 5 years na po, no? $1 Million Club si Alex. And ngayon, $1 Million Club 2 with 189 million at Ruby Presidential Director. And last but not the least, our favorite 001. Nandito ba si Desna Serna? Okay. To represent Desna Serna, our Chief Branding Officer and President of Ivor Mini Ladies, mga Madam Kim to represent. Nag-join po si Desna Serna March 30, 2016. By the way, lahat po nung nandito sa wall, downline po ni Desna Serna. Okay, tapos na-achieve po niya ang $1 Million Club 2019, no? August 2019. So 6 years na po $1 Million Club si Desna Serna. Total income, 236 million 700. Okay? So $1 Million Club 3, no? Si Ruby Presidential Director Desna Serna. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy the wall.